Hey, what's up? I'm listening to Nisha Kelly's song called I Wish You Luck. Something simple as me hearing your name, hearing your name. Puts me in a place that I can't even explain. I ain't never done it before. Really didn't know that feeling. But right now I'm totally sure. Baby, I know I'm your friend, but I wanna be much more. Ooh, butterflies when I see you coming. Oh boy, you got me running. This feeling in my stomach tells me I should be your woman. Cause you're the only one who makes my fairy tale come true. Making it so sad. But still I only want them to stay. I wanna say I love you so bad. But I don't wanna scare you away. Hey, I wish that you'll understand that I wanna be more than just your friend. I wish you love me. I see it talking to them girls on the phone. Ooh, I wish that I can tell them all to leave you alone. Ooh, na 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 na. Really didn't know that this, but right now I'm totally sure. Whoa, 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 that I wanna be much more. Oh, I never really liked your girlfriend, right? Never really gave it much of a fight. 'Cause I realized that I'm your woman, your woman. But still I only want them to stay. I wanna say I love you so bad, but I don't wanna scare you away. Please, how is that you'll understand that I wanna be more than just your friend? I wish you loved me, but if you really love somebody, I mean really love somebody, me you say yeah, yeah, me you say yeah. If you really know you need 'em, and you know deep down you're never gonna leave 'em, me you say yeah. Me you say yeah. Oh, make me so sad. Want you to stay with the only one you please. I wish that you'll understand that I wanna be more than just your friend. I wish you loved me.